Hello folks, today lesson is to create a GUI program from very scratch, and before that you need to install JDK, and also we need an IDE. Here we're gonna install Eclipse Oxygen. So here you write Eclipse Oxygen, Eclipse Oxygen, and then download it. Maybe click here, download it. It's taking time, so it start downloading here. See, in download folder is downloaded. Now we double click it and it will start installation. Here it says for which platform we need to choose. Here Eclipse IDE for Java developer, better we choose this one, and then install, accept it. Accept. Now here you select this one or select all, then accept the selected, and it's almost finished. And it says okay, now let's launch. It's still taking a little bit longer time. Now is asking the workplace where all the project gonna save. So I like to choose in my own path, like whatever my preferred path. And then Java work, select and launch. Here I'm gonna choose this folder and then select, and now no problem. Now Eclipse IDE is ready to use. Now you go there and then file, new, and then other, and then okay, let me check the which perspective. It's a Java perspective, and file, new, again the other. I need JavaFX. So I need JavaFX, but still JavaFX is not there. So what I could do, uh, I go the help and then Eclipse Marketplace, and then here we did JavaFX. JavaFX. And now this one we're going to install it. And then I said I accept and then finish. Now your IDE is ready for Java GUI program, and I need JavaFX, that's why it's taking a little bit longer time. Now let's go other, and how about JavaFX? Okay, still JavaFX is not showing here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna restart the IDE, means close it and start it again. So again I'm gonna restart the IDE, and let's see now what's gonna happen. Here you go. Now JavaFX is showing here. Now it is a JavaFX project, so click next, and then first we will gonna create a project calculator project, and then finish. So if it is a JavaFX program, then it will be a come main.java, and then it will come an application.css, application for CSS coding, and then Java coding. Okay, means you can modify your GUI program, like color, font, padding, this sort of CSS stuff you could change here, and the main coding will be go there. Here you could see here what is inside there. So this is a simple file, and that's what is this launch method start the GUI program. Okay, so if we run it, as we don't code anything, so it's just it's not a console program, it's a GUI program, so it's empty GUI form is going to show. Now we're gonna create a calculator. Okay, so let's delete this one, and now we're gonna create a new class like calculator class, and also with mean. Okay, it's a normal Java class, and here we extend application. So here we need to import JavaFX application, and then just a minute, add unimplemented method. So here this we need void start throws exception. Okay, now let's start a text field. We need a text field, then yeah, you could write whatever you like. Had. So not AWT, Java FX scene control is gone. Now we need button. Button. Alright, button name is button 1, 2. Or else I can create a lot of button like button 1, 2, 2, like this way. And then if I put here semicolon, okay. What's happening? Let's create some button. So button 1, button 2, button 3, all these buttons here. Okay, this, and before that we need a text field as calculator you've seen. Now here we need a try catch. Okay, I need to delete this token, and if I select it and then I see source format, so it's nicely format here. Now in try block we're gonna add all this button and all this GUI component here. So for this we need a layout. Here we're gonna choose a grid pane layout. There are a lot of layout in Java, so you could choose according to your designing. And so this is the grid pane layout, and I set this grid pane layout in center. If you could put it in top left corner, whatever you like. You could change it. For example, here if you put dot, then you're gonna find all these options. So among them I chose center. And also this main method I like to put it in the end of this program. Save it. So according to calculator design, the calculator is start with 7, 8, 9 and division sign. So I put it here, just add all this button whatever I created here and put it in the grid pane. Now let's see, save it and run it. Can you see this stuff? So here I to need if we need to show this button, we need to add this grid pane, this layout into the scene. So scene is a system defined form, and then this is the primary stage, and this is the argument here, like here stage, and we need to give primary stage. That's it. Now we need to launch this application. Okay, so for launching we need launch ours. Okay, we need to call this launch method, and this is very simple, although here we add a lot of button, but we are working with only 4 button. And now save everything and then run it. See, all this button is here. Okay, and is center position is showing center and is in grid pane layout, and C is showing calculator. As we see in the primary set title calculator, that's why it's saying, and the stage finally we add the scene. So here we need the big container is stage. In stage we're gonna add scene, and in scene we're gonna add grid pane. Okay, so now let's add little bit more button. So now button 456, and save it and run it. See, other buttons is added, though it's different size, still is okay. Now let's add more button, save it and run it. So all buttons is here. Now we need this text box here. Now here we add the text box, the heading text box, whatever we like to add. See, now everything is, all component is here. It's good. Now we need to make them in a size. Let's do it. So let's put all the size, and I put all this button, and the button has a size, right? And let's see what's gonna happen here. And here the maximum width and maximum height value I given, and I add to this. Now save it and run it. Now see, at least all buttons are almost a kind of good size. Now if you want to put some gap in between this button, then we need H gap, V gap and H gap, vertical gap and horizontal gap. So I put this one. Now again save it and run it. So we got almost a nice calculator. Now if you need to add this file in this application, now there is no link, so you could add here, and then you could say scene.get stylesheet dot add get class get resource, this application's name application. If you have like, okay, like calculator.css, then you could add here, and to external form. Okay, so now let's open this one, and there is nothing here. Now you could write root, and then and you could write fx dot padding equal to 10 fx or px. Okay, then again fx, then background, background. Now let's run it. See, we got a nice background also. So here we can add also some styles, and here you can make width, you can set size and width little bit less, and then it will be more equal portion. And this way you can play around with this application by changing different things. Okay, and finally you can change all these things, and finally maybe we can make another video for creating all these functionalities, like by clicking these things it will come here, this sort of stuff. We're gonna do it, and until then, stay fine, and please like the video and share the video, and please subscribe my video. Thank you very much.